What's up guys, my name is Nafy and welcome to this course. If you want to learn Blender 3D, then you are at the perfect place, because in this course I'm going to be showing you the basics of Blender 3D, and after that we're going to be diving into a wide range of projects. We're going to do more than 15 projects in this course and you're going to learn a lot. And not only that, after this course you're going to have an amazing portfolio to show to clients and get freelance projects. Right, so without any further ado, I'm going to show you all the projects that we're going to be working on. So I'm in this folder right now and you're going to see all the projects which we're going to do. And so firstly, we're going to be making this simple cartoon character. Basically, we're going to start with this because we want to sort of learn the basics of modeling, how to sort of model different sorts of shapes and stuff like that, right? Then we're also going to be texturing this. We're going to be adding the materials. And then we're going to be lighting this and rendering this all inside of Blender 3D. After that, we're going to be making this cartoon character right here. This is going to show you how to use the subdivision surface modifier and how to sort of make simple characters inside of Blender 3D. We're going to be modeling this ourselves. We're going to be adding the materials and then we're going to be lighting this. And then we're going to be diving into a project which is going to be about architecture visualization. We're going to be creating a whole apartment. So this is the living room of that apartment. This is the kitchen of that apartment. And this is the bedroom and this is the bathroom. So we're going to be doing all these inside of Blender 3D. We're going to be creating this whole apartment. We're going to be lighting it. We're going to be you can see it looks very realistic, doesn't it? And we're going to be doing all this architecture visualization inside of Blender 3D. So if you want to do that, if you want to learn that, then this course is perfect for you. After that, we're also going to be doing this kitchen project in which we're going to learn how to sort of model basic furniture and how to create architecture visualization scenes, just to give you some more practice. And for some more practice after that, we're also going to be making this scene right here. This is a bedroom scene. And in this project, we're going to be talking about some different lighting techniques, and hopefully you will learn a lot in this project. After that, we're going to be learning how to light products, right? How to make product visualization renders, but this tutorial is going to be focused on lighting, on the lighting part, right? We're going to be taking this model from the internet and then we're going to be lighting this completely by ourselves. I'm going to show you what a key light is, what a fill light is, what a rim light is, and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to cover the lighting part of Blender 3D in this course. And then we're going to be doing a few projects related to product visualization. So we're going to be modeling this perfume by ourselves. Then we're going to be lighting this, adding the textures and all that inside of Blender. After that, we're going to be modeling these headphones. So in this project, we're also going to be learning how to model a little more complex shapes, because you can see this is a little more complex than the perfume model. So once we're done with this, we're going to move on to this watch. Again, this watch is a relatively more complex item. So I'm going to be showing you how to model this from scratch. And after that, we're also going to be doing some more modeling. And this time we're going to be modeling this cartoon style truck. You can also make a realistic truck if you want, but I think for beginners, this is a cartoon style truck is much easier to make. So we're going to be doing this. And after that, we are going to be making this animation. So we're not going to be modeling this car by ourselves. We're going to be using a pre-made model. However, in this, I'm going to be introducing you to animation tools in Blender 3D. And we're going to be making this whole garage animation of this McLaren inside Blender 3D. After that, we're going to be making this vintage car animation. And again, in this, we're going to be making a whole studio out of this. We're going to be learning how to sort of light your whole studio, how to use planes as lighting objects. And then we're going to be making this whole animation. After that, we're going to be rendering this outdoor car in nighttime. So in this, again, we're going to be learning the lighting techniques which we use to sort of get reflections on your cars. For example, in this, you can see that on the side, the lighting is blue, and in this side, the lighting is sort of red. So how to create contrast in your images and how to make your images look attractive and very realistic. This is another render of that same exact scene. So we're going to be making this as well. All right, so after that, we're going to be making these VFX renders. So this is the first one. You can see that this robot, spider robot, is actually fake. Everything else is real. It's a real video and we've composited it on top of that. After that, we're going to be making this VFX scene. So in this scene, everything is real except for this laptop. This laptop is actually completely 3D. It's completely fake. Also that Rubik's Cube as well. That Rubik's Cube was also fake. So if you weren't able to tell that, then that's perfectly the point. So yeah, we're going to be learning how to make this as well. And then we're going to be finishing this course off with this amazing typography, 3D typography. And this is useful if you want to make, I don't know, posters or something like that. So you can make this as well, right? So those are all the projects for now. I will be sure to keep updating this course and I will be sure to keep adding new projects to this course as time goes on. But for now, you are learning a lot. The value you're getting from this course is absolutely insane. So yeah, just enroll now and I will see you in course. Thank you.